शॉर्ट स्टोरी द 3 क्वेश्चंस का बी पार्ट हम करने जा रहे हैं। कह रहा है कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस by adding the appropriate parts of the sentences given in the box below। यहाँ fill in the blanks दिए गए हैं और नीचे बॉक्स दिया गया है। उस बॉक्स में से हमने appropriate part इस सेंटेंस का यहाँ फिल करना है। पहला पार्ट पूछ रहा है many wise men answered the king's question but इसके साथ आएगा बट देयर आंसर्स वेयर सो बी वेरिड दैट द किंग वॉज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड। अब दूसरा पूछ रहा है समवन एल्स सजेस्टेड दैट देयर वुड बी ए काउंसिल ऑफ वाइज मेन। इसके साथ आएगा टू हेल्प द किंग एक्ट एट द राइट टाइम। टू हेल्प द किंग एक्ट एट द राइट टाइम। तीसरा पूछ रहा है Someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable। इसके साथ बॉक्स में से आएगा and to follow it। and to follow it। The king requested the hermit। इसके साथ आएगा to answer 3 questions। The king asked the hermit to answer 3 questions। पांचवा पूछ रहा है The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound but the bleeding would not stop। but the bleeding would not stop। तो अब आगे लैंग्वेज वर्क में पूछ रहा है हमें, ये आप खुद करने की कोशिश करोगे। टू एक्ट इन अकॉर्डेंस विथ, टू cause an event to occur earlier, an assembly of people who advise, to find by searching, to look for, meet with friendliness and expressions of welcome, small patches of group of plants, feel sorry, got up from sleep, give back। इसका अगला पार्ट है polite expressions। In order to be polite when you are speaking English, you need to use these phrases correctly। Excuse me, you say excuse me when you want to go past somebody or to attract somebody's attention you do not know। Excuse me, could you tell me the way to the airport? Excuse me, is anyone sitting here? Sorry or I'm sorry, you say sorry or I'm sorry when you need to apologize for something small। Sorry, I'm late। I'm sorry, but do you think you could move your car? I beg your pardon is a formal expression। I beg your pardon, I must have picked up the wrong bag by mistake। Pardon or sorry, these are used when you did not hear or understand what somebody said and want to repeat it। Pardon, could you say that again? It's not polite to say what? You did not hear or understand something। I'm afraid, you use the phrase I'm afraid when you want to apologize because you have to tell somebody something that they may not like। I'm afraid there has been an accident। Has the last bus gone? I'm afraid so। Please, you say please when you ask for something or ask somebody to do something। Please, could I have the menu? Or could I have the menu please? Could you post this letter for me, please? Thank you। When somebody gives you something or when you buy something or receive information, you are expected to say thank you or thanks। I will carry your bag, thanks। You say no, thank you or no thanks when you want to refuse something। Would you like to have some cake? No, thank you, no, thanks। तो ये थे कुछ पोलाइट एक्सप्रेशंस, इनको आप अच्छी तरह से अंडरस्टैंड करना, तो कल हम आगे पढ़ेंगे इंशाल्लाह।